15 must know English phrases to speak like a native. One, I'm all ears. I'm listening carefully.
I have a big secret to tell you.
Oh, I'm all ears. Tell me.
2. Better late than never. It's better to do something late than not at all.
I finally started learning English.
That's great. Better late than never.
3. I'm on it. I'll do it now.
Can you send that email?
I'm on it.
4. Let's call it a day. Let's finish work for today.
We've been working for 10 hours.
Yeah. Let's call it a day.
5. You're kidding me. I can't believe it.
I just won the lottery.
You're kidding me. That's amazing.
6. Fingers crossed. Hoping for good luck.
My exam is tomorrow.
Fingers crossed. You'll do great.
7. Keep in touch. Stay in contact.
I'm moving to another city.
Oh no, keep in touch.
8. Take it easy. Relax. Don't stress.
I have so much work to do.
Take it easy. One step at a time.
9. It's up to you. You decide.
Where should we eat?
It's up to you.
10. Break a leg. Good luck.
I have a big performance tonight.
Break a leg.
11. No worries. It's okay. Don't worry about it.
I'm so sorry for being late.
No worries. It happens.
12. It's a piece of cake. It's very easy.
Is the test difficult?
Not at all. It's a piece of cake.
13. Spill the beans. Tell the secret.
I know something exciting.
Come on, spill the beans.
14. I'm feeling under the weather. I'm sick.
You don't look well.
Yeah, I'm feeling under the weather today.
15. Let's catch up. Let's meet and talk.
It's been so long since we talked.
I know. Let's catch up this weekend.